Hi, Miss Janet Camille. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good morning, sir. My name is Janet Camille Abis. I am 36 years old from Enriquez Raimundo, Zamboanga City. I am married.
Okay. Do you have kids?
I have two children. The eldest is 13 years old and the youngest is 3 years old. They are all girls.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have 5 siblings, 4 brothers and 1 sister.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background.
I am a 4 years graduate with a Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, sir. I worked for 2 years in Qatar and I worked also for 2 years in Kuwait. And also, I work here in the Philippines as a 2 years householder. And usually I work as cleaning, washing the clothes, washing the dishes. They're
Okay.
all finished contract.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I describe myself as a dependable and well organized and with a strong commitment and creating cleaning and well managed households.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, sir.
Okay. Did you go undergo any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
I would like to work abroad because for my family and also for my children, for their future, sir.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Okay. Give me your idea how can you take care a naughty children and children with tantrums?
First, I need to understand the behavior of the children and then look for a way to make the children calm and then find what they really needs.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Dear future employer, I promise that I will do my best and assures that I will fulfill my duties and responsibilities and also I promise that I will finish my contract. Thank you.